Okay, this is a window screen. That's what you're looking at right there. That's the frame of the window screen. Like this one right here. I just finished changing the screen because the tenants that I had moved out and they ripped it. So today I'm going to teach you how to change the window screen. With these big windows, they're supposed to be like a aluminum bar that go across here. Okay, but I don't know what happened to that. I'm not gonna waste my time changing it because I think it looks better without it also. So we have a new screen right here, and we are going to reuse the rubber right here. This is what's holding the screen. Is it? And the screen, this rubber will go inside this canal like this. And I'm going to teach you how to put on the screen. That is, if you want to learn. It looks hard, but it's pretty easy to me. Oh, you're gonna need this. This is the tools for putting on screen. It's like the pizza cutter. Yeah? See? You see it? Pizza cutter. I call it pizza cutter. I don't know what that thing is called for. Maybe before I used to know how to, what is the name of that thing, but it's been a while since I started working on this thing again. So all you have to do is put on the screen on top, just like that. Make sure it's level, of course. See it? If you can make, if you have a short, almost exact same size screen, you can just go close to this side, like that. Right there. And you have allowance on that side. Because this is where you're gonna start. Okay? I'm going to start. Hopefully you guys can follow what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna need this one, my pizza cutter, and flat screwdriver. Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna start. It's kind of hard to film it. So hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Ah, crap. Okay, I will just start it and you guys can see what I mean. Okay? Okay, hold on. There you go. You see it? The rubber will pinch the screen. And right now, there is nothing I can show for the time being until we get to the other side right there. Okay? Then we will continue. I will show you a trick how to make it tight because right now it's loose. Okay? Okay, hold on. Okay. Continue. Now we are at the end right here. We need to turn this way. That's when you're gonna need the flat screwdriver. Focus. You just turn it like this. Man, it's hard to do it with one. And you just push it with the flat screwdriver. All right, as you can see, it's loose. See? Now we need to make that side pull, okay? And this side is going to pull this way. So what we're gonna do is, while you're shoving this, you turn this way, you turn it this way. Okay? Watch that part right there, it's loose. Okay? And then when I shove this thing in there, it will pull it. Okay, hold on. Right there, it's tight. See it? This side, it's still loose, but the other side over here, you will pull it when I turn it this way. And you pull it that way. You twist, and then you pull. So it will tighten the screen. I'll show you when I'm done with this thing again. All right, we are done. It's done. We have excess on the rubber because you need to pull it really hard to make it tight, the screen. And our pizza cutter, it comes with hidden knife. Focus. Right there. You just go whoosh, and it will cut the screen. So let me finish this and show you the finished screen. Okay, now it's just a matter of trimming the excess. When you trim it, you just put your knife against this level, like this. Not tilted like this, it's level against this. So you're not gonna cut your new screen. Okay? You can tilt it a little like this, up. Let me finish that, and then let's take a look at it again later. And we are all done. So you can see it's tight. Huh? It's tight. It's not loose. And there's no excess anymore on the back. Now all we have to do is just put it back on. When you're putting on this thing is on the way. The crank case and that, the clip. So You start this side. Okay. You see that? We're below the clip and we're already inside there. Now it's just a matter of sliding this. There we go. Now we just put on the clip. Those things are loose, so we need the screwdriver again. This thing, you don't need to tighten this because it's always gonna be hanging down. These things on the side are the one you're gonna tighten. There you go. And of course, this thing won't be so easy with two hands. That's a park right there. It's good for the kids to play on in the afternoon. There's somebody making noise downstairs. And we are done. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. This is the bathroom. And this is their stove. As you can see, it still looks new. So I don't need to change it. And their rack. They put charcoal. What is the charcoal for? Can someone tell me what is the charcoal for? So the ref will not get stink. So we're done here now. I'm gonna go downstairs, fix the hose of the washer. Or no, I think it's a dryer. No, washer. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna lock up here, clean up here, lock up, and go downstairs.